Welcome to my study platform. I am Imran, faculty of the Mathematics, Ravindra Bharati Education Institution, Kortegere, Tumkur District, Karnataka State. Today I am here with a special topic and I hope you all are exciting about this topic. See, today's topic, the name is mathematical fallacy. What does this mathematical fallacy deals about? I think you all are unaware about this topic and I hope most probable teachers are also unknown about this topic. Today I will give the brief descriptions about the mathematical fallacy, but I will come to the quick definition about the mathematical fallacy. What is this mathematical fallacy deals with and what is the definition of this mathematical fallacy? See, in this mathematical fallacy, the name itself indicates that something is wrong here. This mathematics fallacy deals about the illogical statements, proving the illogical statements. What is this illogical statements? In your sense or in my sense, illogical statements are those. For example, say, see, 1 is equal to always 1. This is the logical statement any type of a person will accept without any argument. And the same examples, 2 equals 2, 3 equals 3. But what are the illogical statements? Illogical statements are there, 1 equals 2, 3 equals 4. See, these type of the statements are the illogical statements in the mathematics, and the mathematical fallacy is all about this, proving the illogical statements with an invalid proof and a valid statements. That invalid proof is called the paradox, and these valid statements are known as the axioms, and these axioms will take from the Euclidean geometry. I think you all have heard about the Euclidean geometry. In this Euclidean geometry, what are those logical statements? Those logical statements are the axioms, and the first axiom is things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another, and the second axiom is if equals are added from the equal, the wholes are equal, and the third axiom, if equals are taken from the equal, the remainders are equal. See, all these statements are taken from the Euclidean geometry. With this Euclidean geometry and with a certain simple calculations, now we are going to prove these illogical statements. Okay, let us do that one. Now I am going to take one illogical statement. See here, prove that 1 is equal to 2. See, 1 is not equal to 2. 1 is equal to 1 is a fact. 2 is equal to 2 is a fact. But 1 is equal to 2, it is not a fact. It is an illogical statement. And I am going to prove this illogical statement by taking certain wrong proofs. And it is your duty to identify in which step the wrong proof has been inculcated. And that was known as the paradox. Okay. Now I am taking the fact 1 is equal to 1. Okay, now let us go to the second axiom by the Euclidean geometry. If equals are subtracted from the equal, the remainders are equal. That is 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. I am going to subtract the 1 on both LHS and RHS. Now write as it is 1 minus 1, which is equal to, it can be written as 1 square minus 1 square. See, what is the formula for the a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Again, 1 minus 1 is equal to, it is in the form of a square minus b square. It can be written as 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1. Okay, now the next step is divide both LHS and RHS by 1 minus 1. That is 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1 whole divided by 1 minus 1. See here, 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Here also get cancelled. What does here remains? 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 and 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. See, this is the proof. Okay, you just see here, I had proven the illogical statement 1 is equal to 2. But according to the mathematics, 1 is not equal to 2, but we had proved this one. But according to the mathematical fallacy, see, in a certain step of this problem, one wrong proof has been inculcated. Could you please find that one? I already told you that is known as the paradox. See here, I will give the clue for you. See, figure outing this step, we can able to identify one wrong step has been inculcated. See, what is 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything divided by 0 is not defined in the mathematics. Therefore, using this step is totally wrong method of calculating the problem. See, this step of doing the problem is known as the mathematical fallacy. Now I am going to put another one problem. Now you should identify where the paradox will arrive in the coming problems. Okay. Now I am taking the second illogical statement. See, in the first illogical statement, I had proven 1 is equal to 2 by using the fundamental operations regarding the arithmetic. But now I am going to use the algebra proving the same problem as 2 is equal to 1. See, let A is equal to B. See, by taking A is equal to B, I am going to arrive the required solution, that is 2 is equal to 1. See how the mathematical fallacy occur here. See, A is equal to B. Now I am going to multiply A on both sides. That is A into A is equal to A into B. What is A into A? A square, which is equal to A into B. Again I am subtracting minus B on both sides. That is A square minus B square, which is equal to AB minus B square. Now just to see it in the form of A square minus B square, come on, A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to, B is common here, B into A minus B. Okay, see here, A minus B get cancelled. Again remaining A plus B is equal to B. What is our assumption in the beginning? A is equal to B. Instead of B, I am going to put A. That is A plus A is equal to A. A plus A, 2A is equal to A get cancelled, 2 is equal to 1. This is the required solution. Now let us figure out where the paradox occur in this problem. See here, I am going to figure out this step. What is the reason? You just see here, our assumption is A is equal to B. If I am putting instead of A, B, then B minus B will become 0, and 0 multiplied by anything is 0. See, this is the mathematical fallacy present in this problem. Okay, the next illogical statement, prove that 3 is equal to 4. See here, by proving 3 is equal to 4, I am going to take one real fact, that is minus 12 is equal to minus 12. Okay, minus 12 can be written as 9 minus 21, and this minus 12 can be written as 16 minus 28. Okay, now this can be reduced as 3 square. This can be written as 3 sevens are 21, and 16 can be written as 4 square, minus 28 can be written as 4 sevens are 28. Okay, now next step, 3 square minus this 3 into 7 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7 by 2. If 2 and 2 get cancelled, 3 into 7 remain as it is. And again 4 square minus 2 into 4 into 7 by 2. If 2 and 2 get cancelled, 4 into 7 remains as it is. Now the next step, 3 square minus 2 into 3 into 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 4 square minus 2 into 4 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 whole square. It is plus. Okay, now see, just to see here, 7 by 2 whole square, 7 by 2 whole square is added in both LHS and RHS, and again the value doesn't change. Now this is in the form of A square minus 2AB plus B square, and it is also in the form of A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now it is reduced as 3 minus 7 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 4 minus 7 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now the next is very easiest step. See, in both the cases square is present. Now I am going to cancel square on both sides. The remaining part is 3 minus 7 by 2 equals 4 minus 7 by 2. Again I am using the logical statement here. If equals are taken from the equals, the remainders are equal. That is minus 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2 get cancelled. 3 is equal to 4. This is the required solution to this problem. Okay. Okay, in this problem of the mathematical fallacy, see this illogical statement 3 is equal to 4. Among all these steps, one paradox is present here. Do you know what is meant by paradox? The help of the wrong statement we have taken in this problem. Now I will give the assignment to you only. Identify the paradox, that is the wrong proof present in this problem, and do comment me in my comment box. Okay. See, this type of the interesting topic, that is the mathematical fallacy, came to known for us by only the author, mathematician, Jason Marshall. See, Jason Marshall, he was the first person to make us to know about the mathematical fallacy, and he wrote the book that is the Math Dudes, Quick and Dirty. In this book, he had inculcated various type of the tricks and how to solve the basic problems of the algebra. He was a phobic person who is going to create future in the mathematical fallacy, which will come to known as in our future. Thank you very much.